came in, there's a robot in the house. SQ4D, in partnership with us and the Town of Iceland Community Development, created the first 3D built concrete home built specifically for affordable housing. And that family is now owning that home, living there, thriving. It gave us an opportunity, as I said, with so many sponsors, to get close to the owner of this company, to the people that work there, the people working through that tech, and it gave them an opportunity to get to know that family. And I'm very proud to say that their Chief Technology Officer now sits on our board of directors.